Hey Lovey, today we do Gentleman's Box on Dinner with Dad. Check it out.
Hey, this is Marty from Dinner with Dad, and we're going to do something a little different today. We are going to open up a box from Gentleman's Box. It's a monthly subscription. It has nothing to do with food. Nothing to do with food. Here, let me show you a little bit more about them.
From the moment I saw Gentleman's Box, I knew I wanted to try this. I mean, the subscriptions that they have, monthly, quarterly, biannually, and inside each one of these, as I'll show you, is a super awesome, excellent surprise when it comes to being a gentleman. Ties, socks, bow ties, wallets, money clips. It's just amazing the products that is in there. So come with me and let's open my box and see what we can find.
So that's Gentleman's Box. Like I said, you saw it. You can buy it's monthly or tri-monthly. You can get anything you want. I have no idea what's in this box, so let's just open this. I was gonna say bitch. Let's open this baby up. All right. Styled, delivered. Get it? Nice. Look at. So you get a little card first. So you get details about this box. And on this set of this box, nice pair of socks, dress socks. Turn me into more of a gentleman, I guess. Oh man, I haven't seen one of these in years. So this is a pocket square. This is what actually goes into like suits and stuff. You know, like what do you think this is? Is that a money clip? Respond. Is that a money clip?
Yeah, I believe that is.
You can talk.
Clip.
Thank you.
Okay.
And this is
Oh, look at that.
a Briar, like a wallet, nice wallet.
So you put your cards in there, and then you put your money on your clip.
Right. So you have two separate things, so you don't have to keep your money in your wallet. I like that. And last but not least, I like this. Sorry, it might not be your type. I don't think it is your type because it has Star Wars on there. But a nice tie from Penguin, the original Penguin ties. Look at that.
Close on nice.
So I would recommend it if you are the gentleman type. Get a subscription and go get something from Gentleman's Box Club and check it out. That was Dinner with Dad, and well, it wasn't really Dinner with Dad, but it was the show's Dinner with Dad. It was actually more of clothing with Dad. Because you gotta look nice when you're gonna be on the camera more. So have a great day, and I'll see you guys soon.